We are Team OrbitCraft and we are excited to introduce you to our web app EduConnect. EduConnect is designed to revolutionize the way students connect with mentors, form study groups, share academic resources, and gain valuable career insights. Our platform aims to foster a supportive community where students can thrive academically and professionally. Thank you for joining us today as we showcase the features and capabilities of our EduConnect. Welcome to the demo of our first feature, User Account Authorization in EduConnect. In this demo, we'll test various scenarios to ensure the feature works as expected. Open the EduConnect app and navigate to the login page. Let's start by logging in with valid credentials. Enter a valid username or email and password, then click the Login button. The user should be successfully logged in and redirected to the dashboard or homepage. Navigate to the login page. Now let's try logging with invalid credentials. Enter an invalid username or email and password, then click the Login button. An error message should be displayed indicating that the login failed. Next, we'll register a new account with valid details. Enter a unique username, valid email, password, and confirm the password. Click the Register button. A success message should be displayed and the user should be prompted to log in. Navigate to the registration page. Let's see what happens when the passwords do not match during registration. Enter a unique username, valid email, password, and a different confirmed password. Click the Register button. An error message should be displayed indicating that the passwords do not match. Now we'll try to register with an email that's already in use. Enter a username, an already registered email, password, and confirm the password. Click the Register button. An error message should be displayed indicating that the email is already registered. Logging with valid credentials. We'll now test the token expiration and the auto logout feature. Wait for 1 hour or manually adjust the token expiration time for testing purposes. The user should be automatically logged out and redirected to the login page after the token expires. Now let's move on to feature 2, which is our navigation bar and footer. These components are crucial for providing an intuitive and seamless user experience. The navigation bar allows users to easily access different sections of the app, while the footer provides quick contact information and links to our social media pages. First, let's test the navigation bar by hovering over each link to ensure the hover effects are working correctly. Next, we'll click on each link to verify that they navigate to the correct pages. Now, let's test the profile icon. Clicking on it should navigate to the profile page. Similarly, clicking on the message icon should navigate to the messages page. In the footer, clicking on the contact email link should open the default mail client. Similarly, clicking on each social media icon should open the respective social media page in a new tab. Now, let's move on to feature 3, which is our homepage. The homepage is a central hub of EduConnect, providing users with easy access to all the key features of the app. It includes a carousel to highlight main features, direct links to key functionalities, and the Logout button. Let's test the carousel. The carousel should automatically play, switching between different feature highlights every 3 seconds. Clicking on the carousel dot should navigate to the corresponding carousel item. Now, let's test the feature links. Clicking on each feature should navigate to the respective pages. Hovering over the Logout button should change its background color and slightly increase its size. Clicking on the Logout button should clear the token from local storage and navigate to the authentication page. Now, let's move on to feature 4, which is our profile page. The profile page allows users to view and update their personal information. It's an essential part of our app, ensuring users have control over their personal data and preferences. Let's check the profile information display. The profile page should load the user's personal information such as username, age, major, description, gender, year of graduation, and profile picture. Let's update the profile information and save the changes. A success dose will be displayed if the changes are saved successfully. Let's move on to feature 5, which is our mentorship matching system. This feature connects students with alumni and industry professionals based on shared interests, academic backgrounds, and career goals. It facilitates meaningful mentorship relationships, helping students to gain valuable insights and guidance from experienced mentors. Follow the instructions. Let's first register as a mentor. We'll fill out the registration form with our expertise and submit it. We'll get a success dose if registered successfully. Now let's register as a mentee. We'll fill out the registration form with our interest and submit it. Again, we'll get a success dose if registered successfully. Let's click on the View Matches button to fetch and display our mentorship matches based on our profile and interests. Clicking on the match should open a pop-up displaying the user's profile information. Let's write a message in the profile pop-up and send it to the user. Here I will be sending to myself for testing purposes. As you can see, the message was sent successfully. Let's move on to feature 6, which is our study group page. This feature allows students to create and join study groups, collaborate with peers, share knowledge, and prepare for exams together. It helps students find or create study groups that match their academic interests and schedules. Read the instructions. Let's first create a study group. We'll fill out the form with a group name and course code and submit it. The group should be created successfully, and the success message should appear. The new group will be added to the list of available groups. Now, let's join an existing study group. We'll search for a group by course code or group name and join it. The group should be joined successfully. The user should be navigated to the groups page. Let's view the list of available study groups. We'll paginate through the list to see all the groups. Click on the group you like and join the discussions. Our group chat functionality is continuous from our study group features. It allows students within a study group to communicate in real time, share information, and collaborate effectively. It enhances the study group experience by providing a platform for continuous interaction. Let's load the group chat page with a valid token and navigate to a specific group chat. The page should display the group name, a back button, and the chat interface. When the group chat page is loaded, it should fetch and display the messages for the group. Let's type a message in the input field and send it. The message should be sent and displayed in the chat. Now let's move on to feature 8, which is our resources page. This feature allows students to upload and categorize academic resources such as lecture notes, assignments, and study guides. It ensures that valuable resources are easily accessible to all group members. First, let's load the resources page and check the layout. The page should display a back button, a heading, instructions, and the upload section. Let's select a file to upload. The file should be previewed correctly, showing either an image or a PDF preview. Next, let's enter a more meaningful file name in the input field. Let's select a category from the drop-down menu. Now let's upload the file by clicking the Submit Upload button. The file should be uploaded successfully and the success message should appear. Clicking on the View Uploaded File button should navigate the user to the View Files page. As you can see, the file is uploaded correctly. Our View Files page is an extension from Resources page. This feature allows students to browse and access uploaded academic resources by category. It ensures that valuable resources are easily accessible and well organized. First, let's load the View Files page and check the layout. The page should display a back button, a heading, and a list of categories. When the View Files page is loaded, it should fetch and display the files for each category. Let's select a category from the list. The files under the selected category should be displayed correctly. Let's toggle between list view and icon view for the files. The layout should adjust accordingly. Let's click on the file link to download or view the file. The file should open in a new tab ready to be downloaded. Finally, let's move on to our last feature, Career Insights page. This feature allows students to gain insights into various career paths, industry trends, and job opportunities. Users can create posts to share their own career experiences and advice, as well as view and engage with posts shared by other professionals. First, let's load the Career Insights page and check the layout. The page should display a back button, a heading, a description, instructions, a section to create posts, and a button to view posts. Let's create a new post by filling the title and content fields and submitting the form. The post should be created successfully and the success message should appear. Clicking on the View Post button should navigate the user to the View Post page. When the View Post page is loaded, it should fetch and display the posts shared by students or professionals. Let's like a post by clicking the like button. The like count should increase, and the button should indicate the post is liked. Clicking the button again should unlike the post. Let's click on the post to view its detailed content. The post details should display in the modal, showing the full content. Thank you for taking the time to join us today and explore the features of EduConnect. We hope you find the demonstration insightful and are excited about the potential of our platform. We appreciate your attention and look forward to any feedback or question you may have. Have a great day!